one says triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. These are the two triangles ABC and DBC. They are on the same base BC, and the vertices A and D, they are on the same side of BC. If AD is extended to intersect BC at point P, we have to show these four things. Okay. First is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Second is AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. Third, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. And fourth is AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So these four things we have to prove. So first of all, we will write what is given to us. Okay. So what is given? Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are isosceles triangles. ABC is isosceles, means AB is equal to AC, and DBC is isosceles, means DB is equal to BC. Okay, these two things are given to us. Now, what we have to prove? Then to prove, we have to write all the four. First, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Second, AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. Third, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. And fourth, AP is the bisector of perpendicular bisector. This is the sign of perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, now proof. Coming to first, we will start with the first one, that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Now we will take these two triangles. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD. अब अगर हम इन दो ट्राइंगल्स को देखें ABD and ACD, so AB is equal to AC, it's given. Okay, this side is equal to this side is given. This side is equal to this side is also given. BD is equal to BC is given. Okay, and the third thing is that this side AD is common to both. AD is equal to AD. It's common to both. So we have proved three elements of these two triangles equal. That means triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So we have proved the first part, that is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by which congruency rule? Side, side, side. S congruency rule. Okay. Now coming to the second part. Now second part is AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. When these two triangles are congruent, we have proved that ABD is congruent to ACD. So this also shows that angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. This angle BAD, that is this angle, is equal to CAD. है ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So these two are means equal by CPCD, corresponding part of the congruent triangles. And if this angle is equal to this angle, that means AD bisects angle A. So this implies AD bisects angle A. Okay. भाई एंगल डी को तो अभी प्रूव करेंगे बेटा, अभी हमने प्रूव किया है कि एंगल ए को बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है, ठीक। नाउ these two triangles are congruent means this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC by CPCT. ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो इसके हर एलिमेंट इक्वल होगा, तो ये एंगल इसके इक्वल हुआ। अब अगर हम देखें तो ये पूरा एंगल कितने डिग्री का होगा, 180 डिग्री का। दिस फुल एंगल इज ऑफ 180 डिग्री बिकॉज AP इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, तो एंगल 180 डिग्री का है या नहीं है ये? तो आप इसको लिख सकते हैं subtracting these two angles from 180 degree because they are forming linear pair. This angle ADB or BDP is a linear pair and angle ADC and PDC is a linear pair. So subtracting the two angles from 180 degree, so we can write 180 degree minus angle ADB is equal to 180 degree minus angle ADC. When equals are subtracted from equal, so they are also equal. So 180 minus ADB is BDP and 180 minus ADC is CDP, angle CDP. So that means both these two are also equal. जब ये दोनों भी equal है, that means AD bisects angle. This implies AD bisects angle D. तो इन दोनों से हमने this is 1 suppose and this is 2. So from 1 and 2, what do we get? AD bisects angle A as well as angle D. Now coming to the third part. What does this third part says? This third part says कि we have to prove triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP. Now coming to these two triangles. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP. AB is equal to AC. It's given. Yes, this AP is common to both. AP is equal to AP common, and this angle is equal to this angle, that is angle BAP is equal to angle CAP. From first we have proved, from first. Okay, so that means these two triangles are congruent by side angle side. Therefore, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP by SAS congruency rule. अब जब ये दोनों congruent हो गए triangle ABP and ACP, so what we have to prove now कि AP is the bisector of BC. तो जब ये दोनों triangles congruent prove हो गए तो BP is equal to CP तो अपने आप हो गया by CPCT. This implies BP is equal to CP by CPCT. That means AD is the bisector of BC. But we have to prove it is perpendicular bisector. So if we look at these two angles, APB and APC, they are forming a linear pair. That angle APB is equal to angle APC by CPCT. But angle APB plus angle APC is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are forming a linear pair. Now we can write APB two times because APB is equal to APC. angle APB plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree. 2 times angle APB is equal to 180 degree. Angle APB is equal to 180 upon 2 which is equal to 90 degree. अब जब ये एंगल 90 डिग्री आ गया तो ये भी 90 डिग्री है. This shows that AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. This implies AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Hence, proved.